Controls used in entities. Now here we're going to talk about combo box. Now, which is this one. So combo box section allows users to either type a value directly or select a value from the list. So you can either double click on this or drag it to the attribute section. And so once that is done, once that has been selected, you'll need to define properties of the attribute selected. Simply click on the combo box selected, which will bring up the property section of different values. I'll actually use an existing one to make things easier. Let me just get rid of this. So I've already got one that I've created before. Right, now the property section will bring up different properties here. Now we'll start with the name, and in the name section now, like in other videos I've discussed, you enter the name to define the field. This is not what is displayed as a text box, but just defines the field. And the text entered here should be without any spaces. And also, if there are more than one word in the name, the starting letter of the second word should always be a capital letter, right? So in this case, like this, select stage. Yeah. All right. Now moving on to caption, the text entered in this caption section is displayed as the name of the field. So say, for example, I would call it jurisdiction, right? So it says jurisdiction right here as well. Okay, now we'll show the text entered in the name section, which can be edited, of course. And default, now the values entered in this section will be displayed by default in the name field. So, well, this is basically used, this field is basically used for like text areas and text boxes, you know, where you want to show things by default. And now the data section. Now this section allows users to add it allows users to add data and that to show in the combo box drop down, like all the data to show in the drop down there. So say for a jurisdiction here we've created, I'm sure we'll have to it'll have to show many states in America, so let's add them here. Well, in order to add the data, click on the edit icon, and once you've done that, now you can choose from different options to add data. You can either load from an existing entity, where you click on that, you select the application, select the entity, and select the property, and then you import data from an existing entity. Load from a combo box, so click on this icon here, and then select the combo box that's already been created previously, and select the combo box where you want to bring the data from. Select the values from there, and click on save option, of course. Or the custom value. In this custom value, you can actually define what to put in there. So say, for example, if I want to put in few states, what I do is GA, and I just click on this button again, and I'll say California or LA or all of that. So this is how I can do it as well. You can either click, and once that is all created, click on the save button either here, or you can click on the save button here, which saves the data, right? So this is how you can add data in the combo box. So once that is done, the other option you have is a multi-select option, which means users can be allowed to select multiple states or multiple items. That has been multiple data for this particular entity. Okay, and the other one is required. Obviously, that's to set if the field is a required field. Click on the checkbox to set as required.